Hey everybody, it's Kim Van Horn here with Colorado Home Realty, and today I'm joined with Olivia Jamison, whom I've had the pleasure of connecting with recently. Olivia is actually an insurance agent with Colorado Insurance, and after chatting with her a few times, I thought it would be beneficial to share some information with all of you about homeowners insurance and what to look out for. Obviously, working with any client, but especially buyers, homeowners insurance plays a role in the closing process. Buyers are required to have insurance before their loan can be fully processed or underwritten. So with that said, Olivia, what is homeowners insurance?
Sure. So homeowners insurance is put in place to protect your home in case of damage by unforeseen circumstances such as a fire or natural disasters like wind or hail. A typical homeowners insurance policy will cover the dwelling, which is the home itself. Other structures such as a she shed, a man cave, a fence, and then a detached garage is also included. It also includes your personal property within the home to a certain limit, and lastly, it covers your personal liability.
Awesome. So can you share with us some tricks of the trade that people should know while they're shopping for homeowners insurance?
Of course. First and foremost, make sure that you are working with an agent that you truly trust. If you don't know an agent, ask a realtor, a friend, or a family member to recommend one for you. Looking at a lot of policies, I noticed that people are sometimes underinsured, and while you are paying less in premium, being properly insured can make a world of difference in the event of a claim. Would you rather pay an extra $50 a month or thousands of dollars if a claim happens?
Sure, yeah.
Secondly, know your home, know the age of the roof, the plumbing, the electrical. You want an honest quote for your home so you aren't underinsured. Realtors can definitely help you with those questions as well. Shop other carriers and don't settle. With Colorado Insurance, I'm a broker, which means I can shop up to 10 different carriers to make sure that my clients always have the best rates. Also, remember that you can add jewelry, art, valuables to your homeowners in policy. So if you lost your diamond necklace on vacation, no worries, your homeowners insurance policy will cover that for you so you can replace it. Lastly, research the most common claims in your state so you know what to be insured for. In Colorado, obviously that's wind and hail, and that includes your home and your auto. A lot of states it's flood or earthquakes, so just make sure you do your research.
Okay, so how long does it typically take to get a homeowner's insurance policy in place?
So if you're just doing a general change in your policy, you
Sure.
can change it whenever. It doesn't really matter. If you want to change it in the middle of your policy, that's totally fine. If you're refinancing or you're buying a new home, that will begin on the date that you close. And then when you're getting a quote, it usually takes about 24 hours to finalize your quote.
Okay, so pretty quickly,
Yeah.
relatively quickly, once they know what they
sure.
want. Awesome. So what are some things that people should be doing while they're shopping around for homeowners insurance?
Make sure you're comparing apples to apples. Just because one carrier has lower premium does not mean that's who you should go with.
Sure.
You may have one agent that is including something specific and one who isn't.
Right.
Not all carriers or agents build a policy exactly the same way. For instance, at Colorado Insurance, I have minimums and requirements that I must include in my policy that are even above the state minimum.
Okay.
So, however, other carriers or agents can write a policy at the state minimum but have other requirements that they may have.
Sure.
Colorado Insurance has done a lot of research to make sure that our clients are properly insured.
Okay.
A lot of people don't know anything about their policy, so make sure you ask lots of questions and get clarification. It's totally fine. We're happy to help. Lastly, with commercials, we all see those Allstate commercials that really resonate with us, and a lot of people know of Allstate, but there's so many other carriers out there that you may have never heard of, and they're just as great.
Sure.
So don't just look at commercials and say, I'm going with them.
That's key, I feel like, to
Yeah.
keep in mind with a lot of stuff, but especially insurance, I
For sure.
imagine. So how can they qualify their home for even more discounts?
Adding security or alarm systems to your home can give you a huge discount with insurance, and you can add that to your policy at any time.
Okay.
Bundling your auto with your home can save you money in multi-policy discounts. The more you insure, the more you save.
Sure.
Check to see if there's loyalty programs. The longer you stay with your insurance carrier, you might get discounts. Hail-resistant roofs are really important in Colorado because we have so much hail and it's so unforeseen, so that will offer discounts as well. If you do home improvements, make sure your insurance carrier knows because the more improvements you have to your home, the less likely you'll have claims. If you're buying a new home, I know that Progressive offers a discount for new homeowners.
Okay.
You can get a non-smoker's discount, and lastly, paying your premium in full can give you almost 10% off your premium.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. This is great stuff. Good stuff to know. Thank you for your time, Olivia.
Thanks for having me.
And if any of you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Both of us would be happy to serve you any way that we can. Have a good one.